Are we gonna forget tonight? Do you see do you? Guys, Beyonce has us on a chokehold with this Renaissance album. She has us. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Igama lami nginguNomfundo. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you stay. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you like smelling good because we like to talk about a fufu like I. Okay, guys, I'm excited. I'm very excited. So this is going to be a very short video. Izolo I went to the mall. I picked something up. Guys, it's binding nerves when it comes to fragrances. It's binding the liver, the nerve, the gall. So I saw, I was scrolling, okay, because I'm a scroller. I was scrolling towards websites, and I saw Soleil Blanc by Tom Ford. So it was, why am I running the surprise? Okay, it's not a surprise. That's what we're unboxing. We're unboxing is Soleil Blanc by Tom Ford. Anyway, so I saw it, and it was what's the thing? The gift pack, which I'm about to show you right now. So I thought to myself, how am I in? You're E9. You're the price. You're E9. Let's foot. I was like, it's Tom Ford. What did I expect? And this is from the private blend. Okay, so me being a smart girl, I decide, no, I'm just going to take my time. If I'm supposed to have this, I'll have it. So let me first go try and test it out. Okay, first go to the Googles. Batin, so my perfume, Batin, right? Okay, everyone has good things to say about the Soleil Blanc. Everyone thinks it's better than the other private line blends. I'm like, ish, okay. And it's a great summer fragrance. I'm like, these people are speaking my language. They are telling me exactly what I want to hear. And I heard them. Okay. Ngisiyazi indaba ezithiwa wathi sibeze ukuthi hayi mina ngabalalela ngathi hayi khona le nto abayisho. Anyway, guys, I hope you can feel my excitement about this perfume. Right. So, okay. Then I decided, let me go and test this thing out. Because, guys, the price. The price. If you go on Google, just Google it and then you'll find out the price. So I went and I live in a small town. It's a city, but it's a small town. No way. There was no way. I went to the big shops. They all do not stock this. So you know what? I gave up. I hit the bullets. You know, that button that says confirm order, check out. Me, I checked out, and here we have her, my little Tommy. I'm not even going to bother to show you the price, guys, because izakundistressa kwami. Anyway, so this is it. Ooh, this is what this looks like. It's a gift set, so it contains a 50 ml bottle and a 10 ml travel bottle. Yeah, a travel spray, 10 mils. So it's 50. So basically, this is 60 mils in total of the Soleil Blanc. It's okay. So the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Oh, I like how this bottle matches my outfits. See, I thought this through. A lot of white for the Soleil Blanc. Okay. This is all up to my son. Is my biggest critic and someone that I spend a lot of time with, so he will be able to tell me if this thing is any good. Ooh, do I want to wear this now? Ooh. Okay, it smells everything like this. It don't, I know. Ooh. It's fresh. It's really giving very fresh scents. It's really giving fresh scents. Citrusy. I thought it would be similar to my eau de Merveille earlier, the way they described it, that it's like an expensive yacht, but I'm getting more of the citrus here. Let's look up the notes. Soleil Blanc. Let's look up the notes. Oh, but the bottle, guys. And this is my first Tom Ford, just to be clear with you guys. This is my first Tom Ford. I have tried other Tom Fords. I tried the what's the perfume that I tried? The common one, the one that everyone loves, the Black Orchid. It was just too strong for me. Maybe I'll give it a try again, because I feel like my nose has developed enough to enjoy Tom Ford fragrances. So yeah, I think I'm going to give it a try again. Oh yes, okay, okay. So the main accords are coconut, white floral, amber, tuberose, yellow floral. Oh, vanilla. Phela mina no vanilla single up. Oh, and nutty. Yes, I can smell the nuttiness and the warm spice. That is definitely there. Okay, okay. And you know, Tom Ford fragrances are usually um, what's the unisex. So even a man can rock this. I'll see if my son would like to try this. Wear this, see if. Oh, there's also pink pepper in there. Ilang-lang. Guys, indoni ilang-lang. Okay. Jasmine, coconut and tonka bean. Oh, yeah. Top notes, pistachio, cardamom. Oh, I do like me a cardamom, and I can smell the cardamom. I really can. Oh, okay, okay. So we'll give this a try and see if it um really is worth the rave that everyone is saying it is. But for now, I'm just gonna put this away, and I don't know when I'll wear it, but I'll try. I'm not gonna wear this to work though. Gay weekend when I'm trying to be, you know. So yeah, when I'm going out and it's hot, because they say it performs best when it's really hot. So yeah, so this is my shut unboxing. I have not even opened the other parts. Yay! My excitement. Let's see the travel spray. I'll probably take this with me when I go to Market for my birthday. Ooh, I thought it would have like, this was just the container. Oh, I actually like this. Oh, it's so nice with the TF. Guys, don't look at my nails. Ooh, I like this. Yes. Tom Ford smells like money. Okay. I sprayed this too much. Okay, that's it, guys, for my Tom Ford unboxing. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. If this is something you're interested in, it's actually cheaper as a gift set, because the 50 ml on its own is 500 more than what I paid for the gift set. So if you are looking to get your hands on this, you might want to go check out that website. They're not paying me for this, I'm just giving you a plug. Check this out. We might be smelling the same this summer and smelling good. So this is it from me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do not forget to comment, share, and subscribe. I really am wanting, not even trying and hoping, I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by December. We can even do this for my birthday. Give me that 11/11, give me that 1K for the 11/11. But guys, thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Do tell me if you own this fragrance. Let me know what other Tom Ford fragrances you own, which Tom Ford fragrances you plan on getting. But for now, I need to go eat. I'm hungry, so I will see you in my next video. But just let me know what your thoughts are on this one. Let me know what you've heard, or if you own this. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.